Sabrina found the puppy.
Yeah, I got some guys, they have a channel, TFL Car.
Yeah.
Which is the fast lane car.
Uh-huh.
I sold a 1915 Model T Ford that was my father-in-law's.
No kidding.
And it was actually his mother-in-law's and father-in-law's. And been in the family since 1965.
No kidding.
I sold it to them. They did a video on it. And they actually found some old videos of it in a rally that they drove it up to the top of Pikes Peak.
No kidding?
Back in the early 60s, early to late 60s. So, Tesla's running.
I'm in love. Yeah, I saw. Okay,
Yeah,
well,
she's not a grandma car. Kind of like a super stock dog.
everybody say thank you to Matt for being willing to start his car here for us.
Huge thing for these British cars.
Oh, you do, huh?
I can look around a 69 XKE.
Oh, cool.
What? No kidding? My dad had a 58 XK150 drop head coupe.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it comes to like the Nash Healey's, Austin Healey's, the MGs, it's like, ooh, I like this.
Hey, no kidding, huh? We got us a car meet going on.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Anyway, people, this thing, I looked through all the receipts, every receipt I could find. They rebuilt this thing between 1981 and 1987, and then they abandoned it. They abandoned the restoration. So this thing I talked to the dude, he's like, this thing, we did the rebuild a long time ago, but the engine has 0 miles on it. He says it's a 0-mile engine. I remembered that. So I'm like, what do you do with a car that was 80% restored 40 years ago? I mean, what are my seals gonna look like? That's cool. Oh, and he also does all this art. Isn't that neat? Look at all that. Because art is everywhere. So, yep. Current plan. I've got all new, the guys 40 years ago, they bought all new chrome for this, all new trim. Everything was ready to go. All new wiring, brand new interior. Then the paint failed and they were like, they just stopped. They parked it in the corner of a pole barn and that was the end of it. And it sat there for 40 odd years. All the rust has been cut out, taken care of. It's one owner, it's a one family car. They own this thing since new, I think. But like these tires, I was talking to somebody and he was looking at it, it's like, oh yeah, those tires, they're blankety blank something or others. I had those on my 69, which he owned from new. These tires are 40 years old. Anyway, too much noise. Okay. cannot believe it. I'm just so excited. Isn't it cool? Isn't it cool? And these are these big tall ones. These are the first headrests that MG put on. Big tall ones. Funnily enough, these are called the chiclet backrests. And they were only made $69.70. What a beauty, huh? Okay. Hey, look, everybody. There's Horsetooth. Famous Horsetooth Mountain. Everybody knows about, every school child has seen, or wishes they could see.
We can see it from our house.
We can see it from our house.
Okay, this is shaky, so I'm gonna stop.
Hey, the shocks work, huh? Or something works.